the gospel as a story of rupture and repair. Remember, security is built on the trust that repair will follow rupture. That's what makes me feel safe. No matter what I do, I know, I trust, I believe, I have faith that God is there with me. If he was willing to send his own son for me, will he not graciously with him give us all things? That's what Paul writes in Romans 8. If he was willing to give his own son, will he not give us anything? I trust no matter the rupture I feel, God will make a repair if I'm willing to receive it. I absolutely trust that. And security allows me to take good life-expanding risks. I can act in faith. I can do, like a few times I've gone to Uganda and, been able to share there, or I can speak to that person right across the street. I can risk my neighbor thinking I'm crazy. I can give more of my resources toward his cause because I trust that he's got me. I'm able to take those steps. And this is the real biggie right here. What comes after the repair is better than what was had before the rupture. The new heaven and the new earth will be better than the Garden of Eden. That's what the Bible teaches. In the Garden of Eden, you know what we didn't have? We had innocence. You know what we didn't have? The Holy Spirit of God. You know what we didn't have? The message of the gospel. You know what we didn't have? Union with Christ. We didn't have any of that in the Garden of Eden. And so what God promises to come, a new heaven and a new earth, a body fit for eternity, and actually being in the presence of the resurrected Christ forever, that's better. And let me tell you something, and some people want to punch me in the face when I say this, and it's okay. A marriage that survives the major rupture of betrayal is better than the marriage before the betrayal itself. 1,000%. That is a money back guarantee for you. If you make it through to the repair, it will be better than it could have ever been before the rupture.